morning, students. In this session, I'll solve some important problems related to compound angles. See the first question. So that cot 2 theta plus tan theta is equal to cosecant 2 theta. LHS cot 2 theta plus tan theta is given. Using this given data, you need to prove RHS is equal to cosecant 2 theta. Consider the LHS. LHS is cot 2 theta plus tan theta. Now we have the basic formula trigonometric identities. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. Then what's the formula for tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Use these two formulas. See, cot 2 theta, in place of theta 2 theta is there. So you can write it as cos 2 theta divided by sin 2 theta plus tan only theta is there, right? So you can write it as sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Now see, it's equal to denominator take LCM. What's the LCM? Sin 2 theta into cos theta is the LCM. Here see, sin 2 theta is already there. Which term is missing? Cos theta is missing, right? So you will get cos 2 theta into cos theta plus here see, cos theta is there. So which term is missing? Sin 2 theta is missing. So multiply sin 2 theta to numerator of the second sum. You will get sin 2 theta into sin theta. It's equal to, observe the numerator, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Right? In place of A, angle 2 theta is there. In place of angle B, theta is there. Okay, numerator is of the form cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta plus sin theta, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have the formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B formula, right? Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay. So numerator is nothing but cos of A minus B. So you can write it as cos of, what is A? A is 2 theta minus what is B? Theta, right? In place of B, theta is there. So theta divided by, denominator remains same, sin 2 theta into cos theta. Okay. This is equal to, see here, cos of 2 theta minus theta. You will get cos theta divided by the denominator terms sin 2 theta into cos theta. Numerator 1 cos theta is there. Denominator also 1 cos theta is there. You can cancel that 2 cos thetas. Remaining term is 1 by sin 2 theta. We have the basic trigonometric identity, that is 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. Okay. Therefore, 1 by sin 2 theta. In place of theta, 2 theta is there. So 1 by sin 2 theta is equal to cosecant 2 theta. This is nothing but RHS of the given question. Clear? See the next question. Show that cos of pi by 3 plus a into cos of pi by 3 minus a minus sin of pi by 3a into sin of pi by 3 minus a is equal to minus 1 by 2. You need to show LHS value equal to minus 1 by 2. Solve this question. First consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos of pi by 3 plus a into cos of pi by 3 minus a minus sin of pi by 3 plus a into sin of pi by 3 minus a. In the next step, substitute pi by 3 plus a equal to x and pi by 3 minus a equal to y. In the LHS, pi by 3 plus a equal to, you need to substitute x, and pi by 3 minus a, you need to substitute, it's equal to y. So you will get cos x into cos y minus sin x. What's the meaning of x? X is pi by 3 plus a into sin y. Okay. It's equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right? LHS is of the form cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. What's the formula? This is nothing but cos of a plus b. Okay, basic formula, right? Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin. LHS is also in the form cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So you can write it as it's equal to cos of a means x plus b means here y. Okay, cos of x plus y. This is equal to x value is 5 by 3 plus a plus y value is 5 by 3 minus a. Okay, now see, plus a and minus a get cancelled. You will get cos of 5 by 3 plus pi by 3, it's equal to 2 times pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. Clear? In the next step, see, it's equal to cos of, what's the angle 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 is nothing but 2 into pi means 180 divided by 3. It's equal to cos of, you can see, 3 ones are 3, 60s are 62s are 120 degree. Cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree value is nothing but minus 1 by 2. In your first FUC syllabus, you solved so many problems like this, right? Cos of 120 degree, remember the value, its value is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is nothing but RHS of the given question. See the next question. Show that tan of 45 degree plus a equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. By taking LHS value, you need to prove RHS is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Okay. See, consider LHS. LHS is equal to tan of 45 degree. It's a one standard angle, right? Plus a. Tan of a plus b, because LHS is of the form tan of a plus b, right? What's the formula tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. It's a formula for tan of a plus b. Now consider tan of 45 degree plus a. Okay, given question is 45 degree plus a. In place of a, I'm substituting 45 degree. In place of b, I'm substituting angle a. It's equal to tan of a is 45 degree plus tan b, that is tan a, because in place of b here angle a is there, divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan a. This is equal to tan 45 degree standard angle. What's the value of tan 45 degree? 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus, see, tan 45 degrees 1. 1 into tan a, it's equal to tan a. This is nothing but RHS of the given question. See, tan of 45 degree plus a is 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Important identity. Remember this formula. Tan of 45 degree plus a is 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. See the next question. Show that tan of 45 degree minus a equal to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. Okay. Now you know how to solve this one, right? Here you need to apply tan of a minus b formula. Okay. Consider the LHS. tan of 45 degree minus A. We have the formula tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 denominator plus tan A into tan B. Okay, tan of 45 degree minus A is equal to tan A, that is tan 45 degree, minus tan B, that is tan A, divided by 1 plus tan A is 45 degree into tan B. In place of B, you need to substitute A. In the next step, substitute standard angle value. Tan 45 degrees 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan 45 degrees 1 into tan A is tan A. Therefore, value of tan 45 degree minus A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. These two are very important identities. One is tan of 45 degree plus A equal to 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan A. Another one is tan of 45 degree minus A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. The next question, if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, what it implies? A, B and C are angles of a triangle, right? Because sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, their sum is equal to 180 degree and tan of that one angle is equal to 1. Tan of another angle value is equal to 2. You need to show tan of the another angle value is equal to 3. Okay. To prove this one, first consider the given question. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Next, what's the value of A plus B? A plus B is equal to 180 degree minus C. Okay. In the next step, take tan on both sides. Okay, tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 180 degree minus C. Clear? Now see, tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 180 minus theta. What's the value? Tan of 180 minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, right? We studied that formula. Why? Here see, quadrants, here 180 comes the second quadrant, right? 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, which trigonometric function is positive? In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosecant only positive. So since here 180 minus theta is there, theta belongs to the second quadrant. Which trigonometric function we are using? We are using tan. In the second quadrant, tan is negative, right? So here you will get minus tan theta. Okay, tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So tan of 180 minus C, it's equal to minus tan C. Now see the LHS. LHS, tan of A plus B is there. Apply the formula. What is tan of A plus B? Tan of A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B equal to, what's the RHS value? In the RHS, minus tan C is there. Substitute minus tan C. In the next step, see, tan A. What's the value of tan A? Given, right? Tan A value is 1 plus tan B value is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, that is 1 into 2. It's equal to minus tan C. In the next step, see, 1 plus 2, 3 divided by 1 minus 2, right? Why? Already 1 is there, minus 1 into 2 is 2. So here you will get minus 1 is equal to minus tan C. This implies, see, cross multiplying, 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus tan C plus tan C. Minus into minus plus 3 LHS equal to cross multiplying minus 1 to RHS. Minus 1 into minus tan C. This minus minus get cancels. 1 into tan C, it's equal to tan C. Therefore, tan C value is equal to 3. That's a question asked, right? Prove that tan C value is equal to 3. Again, you are getting the same answer. Tan C is equal to